In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through how to safely reach Binance from a Google search, navigate to the markets area, move into the P2P section, select Bitcoin, and switch to the sell flow so you're ready to list or place a sell order. I'll add quick tips for clarity, but we'll keep the path simple and focused. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Binance. In the results, choose the official site with the Binance.com domain and look for the secure padlock in the address bar. Avoid lookalike links or unfamiliar ads. Going in from Google like this is a good way to double-check you're on the authentic platform. Once you're on the Binance homepage, head to the top navigation and click Markets. This section gives you an overview of trading pairs and categories across the platform. It's a helpful hub that routes you to the right place without having to dig through multiple menus. From the Markets page, switch into the P2P area. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, which means you'll be dealing directly with other users rather than trading on the centralized order book. This is where you can sell your Bitcoin to a buyer in your chosen local currency, often with filters for payment methods that fit your needs. Inside the P2P interface, choose BTC. That tells Binance you're focusing on Bitcoin trades in the peer-to-peer marketplace. If you see currency options, make sure the fiat currency matches what you want to receive, such as USD. You can usually adjust this on the page so prices and offers display in the correct denomination. Next, switch to the Sell tab. P2P pages typically default to buy, so changing to sell flips the view and shows buyers who are looking to purchase your BTC. Take a moment to confirm the currency and any visible payment method filters so the listings match how you want to get paid. Finally, click on Sell BTC. This opens the sell interface, where you'll be able to specify how much Bitcoin you want to sell and proceed with a suitable offer. You may need to be signed in and identity verified to continue, which is standard on major exchanges. From here, you can review buyer terms, double-check prices against market rates, and proceed when you're comfortable. That's the full path. Reach Binance from Google, go to Markets, hop into P2P, select BTC, switch to Sell, and open the Sell BTC flow. Trade safely. Verify you're on the official site and review each detail before confirming any transaction.